Welcome to our journey through Cappadocia, one of the most breathtaking and unique landscapes in the world. Located in central Turkey, this magical region is famous for its fairy chimneys, cave dwellings, and mesmerizing hot air balloon rides. Cappadocia's landscape was shaped millions of years ago by volcanic eruptions. Over time, wind and water carved out the soft rock, creating the iconic Fairy Chimneys. Ancient civilizations took advantage of this natural wonder, carving homes, churches, and even underground cities into the rock formations. One of the most unforgettable experiences in Cappadocia is a hot air balloon ride. At sunrise, the sky fills with colorful balloons, offering breathtaking views of the valleys and rock formations. It's a must-do for any visitor. In this video, we'll talk about 7 things you need to know about hot air balloon rides in Cappadocia before you fly. Located in Turkey, Cappadocia is known for its distinctive landscapes and hot air balloon rides, which offer unparalleled views of sheer white valley walls, undulating red cliffs, hidden caves, and fairy chimneys. This magical backdrop makes it a top destination for balloon enthusiasts and travelers who want to see the surreal geological formations from the sky. When preparing for this captivating journey, understanding how to book a balloon ride in Cappadocia, the associated prices, and selecting the right company are paramount. These initial steps ensure a seamless and unforgettable experience, from booking with a reliable distributor like balloonscanner.com to witnessing the enchanting landscapes from above. Choosing the right hot air balloon tour involves considering factors such as the operator's reputation, safety measures, booking procedures, and personal preferences. Opting for reputable operators like Cappadocia Voyager Balloons and Royal Balloon, known for their experienced pilots, and adherence to safety standards, enhances the enjoyment and safety of your flight. Understanding the costs of your Cappadocia balloon adventure is crucial to effective trip planning. Standard prices typically start at €175 per passenger, with fluctuations based on factors such as flight duration, time of day, and booking type. Balloonscanner.com stands out for offering competitive deals and a hassle-free booking process. A hot air balloon ride in Cappadocia promises a blend of breathtaking scenery and thrilling flight. From the pre-flight preparations, including early morning starts and safety briefings, to soaring above the unique landscape of Cappadocia with skilled pilots, passengers are treated to an unforgettable journey. Post-flight celebrations, including a champagne toast, add a memorable touch to the experience. To ensure a safe and memorable adventure, it's essential to consider the best times for hot air balloon rides and adhere to safety guidelines. Ideal times for flying are during spring and autumn, with sunrise flights offering optimal conditions. Safety tips include verifying pilot credentials, checking weather forecasts, and dressing appropriately for the flight. In conclusion, a hot air balloon ride in Cappadocia offers not just a flight, but an immersive adventure through captivating landscapes. Booking with a trusted distributor like balloonscanner.com ensures a seamless experience from start to finish. Let this guide serve as inspiration to embark on this magical journey and experience the wonders of Cappadocia from the skies. Whether you're an adventurer, a history lover, or a photographer, Cappadocia is a dream destination. So, would you like to visit this magical place? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel content.